So our parents never had a nanny. You know, communication can always be better. There's no perfect. We're not perfect.
To my husband, listen.
So husband, listen.
Nice Bond, because you're James Bond, yes?
Release.
So if I run in the morning or I do high rocks or train in the morning, I think I release my stress and I'm ready for the day to take on whatever comes. Kenji mau main bola, so maybe dia juga mau
sekolah
ke Europe.
bola. Iya.
Itu selalu ngobrol? Ya bukan.
Karena dia gak pernah ngobrol sama lakinya. Jadi gak sama kita.
Mau ngapain? Manggil siapa?
Kangen.
Manggil burung.
Kangen sama kita.
Kangen ya. Semua kata nih. Gak usah nyanyi karena yang di kanan ada di sini. Jennifer Badin.
Cantik banget ya. Mohon maaf nih sebentar. Kalau sama Jennifer Badin ngobrolnya pakai bahasa Inggris ya?
Iya.
Oh my god.
Tes.
Campur-campur ya.
Campur-campur.
Silakan kamu duluan. Udah bungkus campur-campur.
Yes, ada yang mau ditanyain nggak?
My name is Edric. Yes, thank you. Nice to meet you.
Ditanyain. Malah sekilas info. Ditanyain.
Bukan sekilas info ditanyain.
Kayak gini loh. How you have been doing?
I'm good. How are you?
Sweet. The smile like me ya.
Hah?
Ya nggak apa-apa kan nggak ada yang muji gua. Dia udah banyak.
Bentar deh.
Blasonnya nggak setebal lu.
Iya.
Bentar deh. Boleh nggak sih tukar posisi ini kayak kapal berat sebelah? Kenapa ya? Bagian sebelah sini sepi banget.
Kita kan di bagian sepi
Iya,
ya.
makanya kayak sedih banget di sebelah sini.
Karena kan kita excited ada the most the healthiest, the
Sporties.
most independent,
Sebentar,
and the gorgeous
saya rangkum
mom.
aja lah.
Gimana?
Bagus.
Inspirational mom.
Ah.
Cuma timbang gitu doang.
Hebat banget loh.
ya.
Hebat
Banyak
banget.
kelebihan.
Iya.
Anaknya 4, ngurus sendiri. Nah, lu bingung, gua aja anak 1 aja ngurusnya harus
Enggak dong, enggak urus sendiri dong.
Berdua sama suaminya.
Sama suaminya.
Iya, tapi nggak pakai neni. Lu tahu zaman sekarang.
Lu juga
Ya,
nggak pakai neni.
Iya.
pakai.
Oh, pakai.
Lu kan gak pakai neni.
Pakai.
Oh, lu karena nggak trust ya?
Hah?
Ada trust issue ya?
Lu kali itu ngomongin diri sendiri, nggak boleh begitu.
Ya kalau gue mah trust issue sama suami gue. Allah. Sorry.
Tapi-
Oke, bentar. Ini yang diajak ngobrol yang
Iya.
ini, bukan lo berdua. Ya.
Tapi kan the question, why no nanny?
Iya, itu banyak banget yang nanya loh.
This lady over here, three nanny.
3 neni.
Three nanny.
You hoax.
Enggak, lu 3.
No,
Kemarin dulu
my
anak 4.
nanny already just one.
What?
Only one now?
One nanny.
Oh.
Iya. Why?
The rest is mbak.
Sama aja.
Bantuin. I call them all mbak. Only one sus.
Oh.
Sebentar.
One only.
Tapi tunggu dulu.
Yes.
From sus to mbak berarti ya?
Iyalah, jadinya ngurusin anak juga.
Ya everybody lah. I call them lah. I like them.
But I think it's the $1 million question.
Yes.
Why Jennifer Badin and Irfan Badin don't
Choose.
have nanny?
I think karena kita lahir di Jerman dan Belanda. So our parents never had a nanny.
Oh.
Okay.
It's very normal,
It's
guys.
very, very normal.
Ntar lu punya anak ya, lu awas lu punya neni lu ya, awas lu.
Jatuhnya
Nggak boleh
nyumpain
gue
ya.
punya nanny, nggak
Enggak ya.
boleh.
Okay, now tell us how's your day start? Or
Yeah.
look
Tell us
at-
from like once you wake up,
Yes.
how your day goes.
Boleh
gitu.
coba buka kontennya Jen udah pernah di-share.
Mami.
Iya enggak, ini kan
Mami.
versi yang langsungnya gitu
Iya,
ceritanya.
iya.
Bangun jam 5 pagi.
Jam 5
Oke.
ya.
Semua.
So 5 a.m.
5 a.m. bangun terus I get ready, olahraga dulu, lari.
Oh, you start
Langsung?
5 a.m.
5:30
Oh, running ya.
Outside the house.
outside the house.
Oke.
And then?
Outside the house running. Come back, get the kids ready.
Bangun
But
anak.
Irfan di rumah kan.
Yeah.
So if the kids wake up first, he prepares breakfast.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Oh, he likes to cook.
No cooking.
Just
Oh, just like
Just
preparing.
Breakfast simple.
Sandwich or
breakfast
bread.
simple.
Okay.
No Indonesian breakfast.
Yeah.
Oh, just eggs ya.
Eggs, oatmeal,
Yeah.
Oh, iya
Oke.
simple.
toast,
Iya, iya.
Fruits,
fruits,
smoothies,
yeah.
juices.
Lumayan
yang
motong-motongnya.
gampang.
Iya sih, oke.
And then we bring the kids to school. Anak-anak
Together?
sekolah
Wait.
together.
Oh my god, togetherness.
But the kids is 4 kids
For
together.
kids, yeah. So the big ones, we have a driver for them.
Okay.
So the big ones go to the big school with the
Yeah.
driver, and the
Like-
little ones
Still with-
motor.
Naik motor.
3. Oh no ya,
Di
2.
Bali.
Ya, oke.
And the 2 little ones with Irfan and me.
Oh.
Oh, oke. Jadi udah
Lucunya.
ada sendiri-sendiri sama Indo.
And then sometimes we do high rocks together.
Training after
Training
drop the kids.
After drop the kids.
High Rocks together.
Yeah.
Terus?
Okay.
And then after high rocks, I'm shooting kerja dulu.
Uh-huh.
Irfan, content. Irfan is swimming, relaxing a little bit.
Healthy lifestyle, balance
Recovery,
life,
recovery.
balance,
Yeah.
balancing life.
So yeah, he will be happy, you know.
Yeah.
But sometimes also the
Also
content
sometimes
together.
Oke.
yeah. And then we pick up the kids at 2.
Oke, and then
Pick up the
lunch.
kids at 2. Ya lunch dulu.
Prepare lunch
Just
sendiri.
Enggak.
Beli.
Maybe go
Okay.
out.
Yeah, we
okay.
go out.
Oke.
I cook for dinner.
Oh.
Yeah,
Al-
masak
always
for
you.
dinner. Always me.
Oke.
Always you.
Always
So
you.
you do
Irfan.
also ironing.
I do iron. I do.
Nyetrika.
Ih, I hate ironing, you know.
I
It's
like
kusut-kusut
ironing.
all the time, you know. Like I
It's
like
nice.
wash dishing.
Just.
I do the
Pantesan
dishes.
lo nggak bisa jadi
yeah.
inem.
The dishes
Vacuum
also.
cleaning.
Everything.
Yeah.
Also the pel.
The
Also the pel nggak tuh kata gua. Also the pel. Also the pel.
Also the pel.
Gara-gara ini jadi also the pel.
Yeah. Another thing, I heard that you also edit your own content.
I did. Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Not anymore.
Used to be.
Not anymore.
Iya,
Kreatif.
Udah
Sebelum
punya
sibuk
I did,
banget.
yeah.
Jadi
And the pel.
And the pel also.
And the pel.
Yes.
Tapi I mau tanya. Kalau
Jangan
kalau misalnya kan together mulu tuh sama
Iya.
Irfan, itu selalu ngobrol. Ya bukan.
Karena dia nggak pernah ngobrol sama lakinya. Jadi kalau dia berdua,
Bukan.
dia nggak pernah ngobrol.
Maksudnya nih kan sering togetherness banget ya. I mean like kan gak ada orang lain di situ. Ngobrolnya
Apa aja?
like aktif.
Ya, masih.
Gak bakal
Ya
gitu.
masih sih, ya masih sih. Of course masih ya. Like gimana ya?
gini,
Gimana ya?
jangan
Mau
semua
tanya
tuh lo
apa ya?
proyeksiin cerita
Dengan
hidup lo
diri
ke orang
orang
lain.
lain.
Mungkin gini kali pertanyaan. How do you
Topiknya apa sih yang
Iya
dibahas
benar,
gitu?
topiknya apa
What do
sih
you guys
diobrolin?
talk about?
Kan you guys like almost
All the
24/7
time together.
Iya, what are you guys talking about?
About life, about
The
the kids, what we gonna
Everything.
do,
Decision,
about the work,
maybe ya.
yeah.
Yang bikin bete apa sih kadang-kadang? Kan small things lah kalau suami-suami kadang-kadang kalau anduk berantakan gitu.
comparing.
Kan kita pengen tahu di
Dia
balik
lagi ngulen
Jen,
gitu.
di balik
Iya.
Jen yang kita lihat kan emang she's pokoknya independent mom. Apa tadi?
Inspirational mom.
Kan pengen tahu ada kesel-keselnya, gemes-gemesnya gitu kan. Ma.
Ada.
Apa tuh kayak kecil-kecil stuff?
I think Irfan is pretty messy,
Oh, kamu perfeksionis ya?
and yeah,
Oh, kamu
Semuanya
suka
tidy.
yeah.
You like everything clean.
Yes, everything in the right place. And Irfan is
Mess.
kalau ada mess nggak apa-apa, he's fine. Aku nggak bisa istirahat kalau everywhere is a mess.
Oh.
Apa yang kebanyakan ada anduk, sikat gigi?
From clothes, shoes, especially shoes, everywhere.
Do you
Yes.
ever get big fight because of that? Maybe in the awal-awal
The
nikah
beginning
kali
ya, in the beginning.
of the marriage.
Adjustment.
Maybe still fighting about
Until
this.
today.
Oh masih?
Karena
Masih.
capek.
Kayak kalau kesel kalau gemes gimana sih? Beb, apa yang tahu kan Jen kan
Honey,
suka gimana
panggilnya
gitu.
Honey.
Honey, jangan
Hey,
tahu
come on,
deh.
I already told you.
Ya Allah,
Cuma segitu, cuma segitu.
Coba gue tiru deh besok.
Gak bisa, kalau lu gak bisa.
Gak denger orang yang gak
Iya,
denger.
iya.
Dicuekin dulu sama gini dong.
Irfan suka naruh anduk
try,
basah
I
juga
try.
nggak di tempat tidur?
No.
Enggak, itu enggak pernah ya?
No.
Udah kapok
My
kan
son,
gimana?
Kenji.
Your son.
Yes.
Your son.
Basah-basah.
Basah-basah, the towel everywhere.
Oh sama ya.
Iya, 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 iya.
Oh nggak
iya,
kayak
iya,
gue.
iya, iya. Iya. How do you keep yourself sane?
I think through olahraga.
Iya,
That's
iya.
the
Yes.
Yeah, release
Stress
already.
relief.
Yeah.
So if I run in the morning or I do high rocks or train in the morning, I think I release my stress and I'm ready for the day to take on whatever comes.
Tuh jadi benar juga ya. Jadi olahraga pagi-pagi itu bisa bikin kita lebih fresh.
Iya.
Gimana
gitu.
freshnya?
Fresh
Wow.
menghadapi hari.
Yes. Tapi benar deh psikolog bilang me time-nya mama-mama itu
Me time,
sebenarnya
yeah.
before everybody wakes up in the house.
Oh.
Tapi memang jadi harus lebih pagi lagi,
Iya.
right? Karena katanya mamanya harus nyiapin diri untuk oke, I'm ready gitu. So a cup of coffee in the morning. Pokoknya you get up before everybody else so that you can prepare.
And
Let's
some
do it.
silence, yeah.
Iya benar.
Because my house every day is very loud.
Loud.
Your house is
So
always
if I wake
Very
up,
important, yeah.
If I wake up at 5 a.m., it's silent. Nobody's talking. There's no fight. The kids are sleeping. So
Oh.
I think that's important. Yeah.
Banyak kayaknya kok kayak benar juga ya.
Yeah.
Butuh
Emang kurang silent.
Yeah, just silence.
Too silent. Only two of us, yeah.
Yeah.
Only
And I always wake up early in the morning. I'm like very silent.
too silent. Tomorrow
to my house.
Iya, besok-besok you go to her house to my house. Oh yes.
Very loud.
But
Yeah,
I like
her house yes.
More loud. Your
Yeah.
house more loud.
Aku suka sih prinsipnya
Suka sama dia?
Jen. Bukan
Enggak.
prinsipnya.
Enggak usah.
Jenny?
Bukan. Tadi
Jenny?
dibilang kan bahwa
Jenny in the
mom itu harus punya
Silent.
silent moment.
Yes.
Your me time,
Me
apapun
time,
caranya.
yeah.
Kalau Jen kan tadi dengan caranya adalah dia
Olahraga, wake up in the morning first.
Betul. Apapun itu gitu
Tapi
ya.
mungkin ada beberapa ibu-ibu yang mungkin kurang suka atau belum terbiasa olahraga.
Yeah.
Atau
Iya.
sebenarnya nggak ada waktunya.
Iya.
But
Asal
you can
Some.
make time. You
Harus
have to
dicari
make
itu.
time.
Iya,
Yeah.
betul.
Yeah.
Cuman ada yang misalnya di beberapa tempat kan they don't have the time as in sometimes privilege. Time itu kan
Yeah.
bisa jadi
Betul,
privilege,
yeah.
right?
kadang-kadang mereka lebih memilih
Jadi,
untuk misalnya main
bekerja.
gadget.
Iya.
Nah, ya kalau main gadget kadang-kadang really have
Enggak,
to work
kerja.
Iya,
kerja
atau
ke
ya.
sawah, you know kan ada
Iya.
timingnya.
Iya,
Jadi ya kita doain semoga semuanya punya kesempatan yang sama ya. Jadi bisa punya waktu buat diri sendiri.
Satu hal tuh yang selalu diomongin sama netizen ya soal Jen itu adalah gini, ya lu mah enak, cakep, ya lu mah enak, suaminya baik, ya lu mah enak begini begitu segala macam. But do you consider yourself you have a privilege atau no? Itu emang harus dibuat semuanya.
You need
gitu.
to like make
A standard.
make and then you need to like
Emang harus ditranslate. Emang dia nggak ngerti gue ngomong.
you understand?
Biar dia ini aja biar ada jumping obrolan gitu loh.
Biar enggak biar
Iya.
biar
Biar
bagus.
bonding.
Kalau dia kebanyakan diem dia ngantuk.
Iya benar.
Daripada dia nguap mending dia ngomong.
Iya.
Enggak apa-apa.
Nggak masalah.
Iya.
Pakai bahasa Austria juga enggak apa-apa. Dia
Dia
bisa.
bahasa Jerman.
Iya, oke.
Dia nggak bisa juga.
Gue diajarin sama dia.
Udah alles gute und gute Besserung.
Hut. Aso.
ya.
Guten Morgen, guten Tag.
Ya jawab kali, yuk bisa dijawab yuk.
Dia udah lupa.
yeah.
Dia lupa.
So
Gimana itu?
Iya,
Kan
what do you
banyak
think
orang
about that?
sometimes netizen kayak always see
Lu mah enak gitu
Lu
ya.
mah enak, liatnya cuma yang di
Depannya
social
doang.
media doang gitu.
I think I am living a very privileged life. The
Yeah.
kids too,
And you
for
didn't.
sure.
You won't deny it ya.
No, but it didn't come from nothing. So
Yeah.
I worked hard to have this house,
Iya.
to raise my kids like this.
Iya.
It didn't come because I was laying on the sofa.
Right.
Ya itu
So,
juga
You work so hard.
effort, like
Yeah.
hard
Yeah.
effort.
Yes.
Benar.
Yeah.
We had to work hard, and I think to have a nice bond with your husband, that's yeah.
Yeah, I listen.
To have a nice bond with your husband.
I think that's
Yes.
very important because it starts from husband and wife.
Yeah.
Yes,
Husband and
before
wife,
parents, they're like couple husband and wife.
Exactly.
To my husband, listen. To
So
my
husband, listen.
nice
yeah.
Bond, because you are James Bond, yes? No.
Tapi gini juga Jen gitu kan I completely understand dan completely agree with you kalau bisa bilang bonding antara suami istri itu harus
Iya.
itu syarat utama supaya keluarga itu bisa harmonis, terus kalaupun ada masalah bisa diselesaikan dengan baik. Tapi how to-nya itu gimana?
From the beginning,
Bagaimana caranya?
how you set up
With
things, how
Irfan
set things
gitu.
up, right? Kan the system kan nggak kecipta
Dari langsung
one
tiba-tiba
night
gitu, harus ada komunikasi.
How?
I think it's work in progress, and you
Yeah,
always
yeah,
have to.
Oh Irfan itu selalu bilang work in progress.
Yes. So we always have to work on it. There's no day, we always, communication can always be better. There's no
Communication.
perfect. We're not perfect.
Communication.
And yes, I think what we had to learn is communication.
Communication is a key.
Yes.
I like.
So if we talk about things which bother us, then we can, I can tell him what bothers me, and he can tell me what bothers him, and we can find a solution which is okay for both of us. And if I'm quiet and I don't tell him, he doesn't know.
Oh yes.
Tapi itu is it because is it you already kayak kebiasaan dari kecil that from your
Parents,
I think
your
dari kecil
background.
my parents more open daripada
so
Irfan.
you're used to
So Irfan more close.
Okay.
And it's hard for him to express his feelings, and he would get fast emotional, like exploding and angry. While me, from my family, I think from my dad, I'm very patient, calm. I don't like screaming.
So it's like you're balancing Irfan,
Yes.
basically.
So-
She's the one who introduced all this system of
Yeah.
opening up. Nice.
Question.
Yeah.
As a perfectionist, how do you balance yourself with the real condition? I mean, like as a perfectionist, you cannot always have a perfect life, right?
No. And with kids, very hard.
Right. Especially with kids. How do you do that?
I think sometimes I just have to tell myself, okay, just leave it.
Really?
You can't have it perfect. Yes,
You can?
I have to.
Harus
Oh, so you
terima ya.
make peace.
Ikhlas,
I need-
ikhlas.
I need
Kalau
to make
enggak,
peace for myself. Otherwise, I'll be
jadi-
stressed
Iya.
and angry
True.
mad and unhappy, right?
Pernah nggak ngalamin kayak gitu? Zaman dulu mungkin, I mean like
Yeah,
gimana
mungkin.
caranya?
Way back, for example, with Irfan, his messiness could drive me crazy. And now I'm like, okay, I will just tell him again and then again and then again.
Yeah.
Make it as a
And
routine.
I'll just
Oh wow.
Accept.
accept he
Maybe.
is this way. He doesn't see it. I have to tell him over
Okay.
and over again.
Okay.
I mean, you guys are different person ya,
Yes.
different
Yeah.
people, different
Yeah.
character.
That's a very
bagus.
interesting part with accepting. Like
Yeah.
itu sesuatu yang sangat susah kan?
Susah.
Not
susah.
easy, right?
And it maybe still bothers you if you
Pasti.
are a perfectionist because
Right.
you want it perfect.
Iya.
But sometimes it's just not possible.
Tapi aku
So
juga.
diterima aja ya.
Tapi ini juga nggak sih, Jen? Do you think kalian bisa kayak begini tuh because of you guys are in the same background? Contohnya
I
misalkan dari culture,
Ya,
dari
Yeah.
kan
Right.
bule nih Eropa.
Yeah.
Jadi emang dibesarkan udah biasa
Caranya
sendiri segala macam. But for
Maybe
Indonesia it's a bit
if I
different
would
kan?
have an Indonesian
Yeah.
husband, I think he would think, oh my gosh, this
Iya.
woman is
Haya,
crazy.
haya apa? Haya.
Kalau Indonesian
Ada juga
husband.
gue yang ngomong, haya.
Ayah.
Iya, gitu.
You agree?
Ayah. Maksudnya gue kasih tahu kalau Indonesian husband emang beda gitu
Beda.
karena dia
Iya, jadi mungkin ini ada beda culture.
Iya, kebiasaan dari kecil when they grow up. Iya, benar they tend to apa ya, keep things to themselves, nggak biasa opening up karena kan
And our parents, my dad is Indonesian, Irfan's dad Indonesian, my mom is German, and his mom is Dutch.
oh iya sama
They
ya, similar
married,
condition.
Irfan's parents married after 3 months, my parents after 6 months, we after 1 year fast married. And then they're all both still together, still very like,
Close.
communication is good,
Yeah,
very
yeah.
close.
Very family.
Yeah,
This is
very
interesting.
family,
So
yeah.
you know Irfan only 1 year and then you guys decided to get married.
Yes.
What made you marry him?
I think we fell in love very fast. It was because aku masih tinggal di German actually, and I said always, I love Germany. I am German.
Yeah.
I don't want to live in Indonesia.
Yeah.
Terus aku jatuh cinta sama Irfan, and then I was like, okay, I'm gonna move to Indonesia.
Bucin. Ternyata jadi berbanding bucin.
Kamu bintangnya apa sih? Kamu bintangnya apa?
Nah nih,
I'm Aries.
pakar zodiak.
Aries. And
Pakar
Irfan
zodiak.
is?
Leo.
Cocok
Pakar
sih.
zodiak.
Cocok banget.
Sungguh gue nggak tahu.
Iya, makanya dia pakar zodiak.
Dua-duanya tapi
Iya,
Nggak
tapi
tahu banget
oh iya.
gue.
Oh Irfannya juga bucin banget sih.
Tapi kalau dia lagi
Lovey-dovey, right?
Yeah, so yeah, we fell straight away in love.
But what do you do if every time dia syuting malam? Irfan Hakim bukan?
Bukan. Itu dia, itu ntar jadinya dangdut. Jadinya dangdut.
Masuk aja biar komedi TV ya kan.
Ntar jadinya dia dangdut.
Iya,
nanti.
Bagus nih, Bayu kalau lapar lucu.
Iya.
Kalau kenyang Kami cenderung diam.
Iya. Ntar dia main itu lagi gajah.
Iya, beda lagi.
Oke.
Sapi albino nanti hadir loh.
Iya.
Bener-bener.
Tapi Mbak Luna banyak belajar kayaknya dari pernikahan Mbak Jen ya.
Apa tuh?
Wah, ngomong udah mulai ngantuk nih.
Iya, banyak belajar.
Banyak belajar.
Kita mirip.
Iya sama
Oh
ya.
iya.
Aku kan kalem.
Iya.
Kata krunya baru juga diocehin.
Kalem banget, kalem.
Kalem, mata lu gak terima, lu bilang kalem.
Mata lu gak terima.
Ya udah.
Salam.
Aku penyabar.
Oh
Sabar.
iya, benar.
Penyabar.
Apa iya ya?
Penyabar.
Andai kata ini BTS bisa dikeluarin ya.
Tapi kalau
Saya
misalnya nih,
sabar ya.
Iya, sabar.
pengen tahu kalau Jen lagi marah banget, apa yang Irfan lakuin to get you?
Pasti diam Irfan.
Jen
to
kayaknya
calm
gak
you
pernah
back.
marah ya.
Yuk.
Ya kita nggak tahu, siapa tahu pernah diem sebulan.
Marah lah pasti ya.
But not screaming.
Oh, tuh.
Gimana?
Nggak kayak lu.
Lu nunjuk sono kan
Enggak,
gue.
Jen kalau marah kayak apa? Ini netizen pengen tahu nih pasti. Jen
Iya.
kalau marah
Paling marah, coba
paling
paling
marah.
marah.
semaksimal marahnya Jen.
Non screaming.
I think like that. Honey, I didn't like what you do.
Ya Allah, gitu
Cuma segitu.
marahnya.
Sama
Itu
anak
cuma,
gimana?
Honey, I didn't like.
Iya gitu.
Nggak
Honey,
bisa.
I don't like that. Gitu
Iya.
aja.
Iya.
Tapi Irfan udah kayak gitu nggak?
Dia udah tahu kalau itu kamu
Iya.
marah.
Jen kalau with the kids begitu
Sama.
juga.
Tuh, belajar lo.
So you never raise your voice.
No, but they will know my voice change to be more firm. Like they will hear
the tone.
the tone.
the
Yeah.
tone.
It's
the
not
tone.
getting loud or screaming, but they will know. Okay, now, Mama, it's finished.
Oh.
I tried once. And
Cannot.
my family think I'm dehydrated. Like, mami so lemes ya, dehidrasi kayaknya.
kurang air.
Malah lu yang
kurang
nangis ya?
cairan.
Malah lu yang nangis.
Jatuhnya kurang cairan.
Itu beda karakter
It just
aja.
didn't work in my family, I don't know why.
Karena mungkin keluarga lu penyanyi semua.
Ya,
seriosa.
intonasi already.
Seriosa.
Jen is like,
Muazzin,
do,
muazzin,
do,
keluarga
C,
muazzin.
C, C. Ini C, D, E, F, G.
G.
Ya, aku nggak ada G.
Nggak ada
Oke.
G dia masih di
Next
C.
time we go to Bali, I bring my family to
We
meet
try
your
ya.
family.
Okay,
Yeah.
yes.
Okay.
Come to
Jen.
my house.
Sebenarnya
Iya.
sama tau nggak kayak siapa?
Kayak siapa?
Kayak
And
ini
you,
kita.
I think you
Oh,
have
iya,
to go
bener.
on eye level.
Ya.
It's helping.
I
Eye level. So if your son's still small,
Jongkok, you jongkok.
yeah, you go
squat.
down.
Nah, jadi kalau
You go
down.
down.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.
Iya, 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 eye
So,
level, eye level,
yeah,
I learn.
it's very
Yeah.
important.
Yeah.
Jadi nggak gini ya?
So I
Yeah.
will be here.
Yeah.
Listen.
Oh.
Yeah.
Listen.
Ah.
From here, listen.
Enggak gitu.
Kayaknya
Apa bedanya
yes.
itu?
I think
They don't think it's a threat ya. They
yeah,
think they
they
understand
will
you.
actually hear you more rather than if you're above them.
Tuh.
Iya. Itu aja
Jadi-
udah praktekin.
Gue coba antar sama anak gue.
Emang biasanya selalu begini ya? Heh.
Yeah.
Kan gue kan duduk, anak gue ya segini. Dedi gini-gini. Udah ya, udah.
Gak gitu, gak gitu. Jangan sok-sokan lo. Jangan sok-sokan.
Iya.
Udah.
Lo galak lu.
Enggak. Kalau
gitu.
Enggak, kalau galak itu nama lengkapnya gue sebutin. Kalau cuma Ebi.
Gimana kalau lo gimana? Coba contohin. Biar Jen bisa ngeliat. Oh
Iya.
kayaknya ini perlu diiniin deh.
Jujur, jujur.
Coba,
Nggak usah
jujur aja.
nggak usah
Harus review, jangan harus.
Jujur, jadi
Ah.
harus.
Jujur.
Oh, apa?
Lu.
Baru lu pakai bahasa apa
Tuh
sih?
Ebi tuh, lihat Ningsih tuh Ebi tuh.
Tanya Ebi.
Misalnya, Ebi, jangan gitu ya. Stop. Ya gitu.
Enggak.
Segitu.
Enggak.
Tapi kan matanya kemana?
Nama
Ya ke Ebi, masa kemana kok?
Kan
Masa
matanya
gua ke-
Ebinya Ningsih tuh, Ebinya Ningsih tuh.
Ebi, jangan gitu ya. Stop. Gitu.
ibu komplek ya.
Ya. Iya kan?
Kalau nama lengkap. Katanya kalau udah marah banget kan udah keterlaluan nama lengkap.
Iya udah keluar, maksudnya kalau udah ini udah.
Ebi gitu.
Coba.
Tapi
Coba.
Gua pernah bisa diem nggak?
Kayak gitu tadi. Gitu.
Iya. Jadi gue pernah, gue ngerasa sampai sekarang masih merasa
bersalah.
Merasa bersalah. Gue tuh kayaknya gue punya masalah juga dengan diri gue sendiri tentang.
Itu pasti.
Dengan,
Masa nggak tahu?
Iya, makanya gue baru tahu setelah
Punya anak.
Punya anak.
Karena keluar di situ ya.
Iya,
Beneran?
beneran.
Iya.
Gue baru tahu, gue baru ngerasain setelah gue punya anak. Gue itu nggak bisa dengar orang ngomongnya merepet gitu. Jadi kalau kan nggak bisa gitu dong.
Bawel.
Gitu.
Nagging.
Gue langsung tuh. Gue langsung naik darah. Gue langsung screaming. Beneran. Diam.
Oh, wow.
Oh,
Jadi
iya.
dia lebih gitu daripada istrinya.
Iya.
Ya kan?
Iya, jadi anak gua itu sempat CB itu sempat ada takut, jadi
Takut
takut
sama suara
kalau udah gua
iya.
raising voice itu dia langsung takut. Itu karena gua sendiri taunya gua juga punya pengalaman itu.
For Jen sendiri, you have kid when you're quite young ya.
Yeah, I was 24.
Oh wow.
Oh,
Itu gimana Jen when you're 24?
Penyesuaiannya kayak apa waktu itu?
24 tahun first, and then pindah ya ke Jepang kan?
Pindah ke Thailand dulu and then Japan.
Iya.
I think it was a gift from God, honestly. It made me a better person. I struggled, it was hard. And Irfan was playing for Timnas, so he
Yeah.
was gone for, I think he missed the first 6 months of
Oh, wow.
Kiyomi,
yeah.
our firstborn. So that was really hard. Waktu Kiyomi masih bayi, aku sendiri di Malang. I gave birth in Malang.
By yourself?
No,
I mean,
he
like-
was
Enggak
there.
dong, masa
yeah,
dia
he
begini
was there.
sendiri?
Bukan maksudnya Ivannya gak ada, cuma
Ada,
maksudnya he was
tapi-
quite absent karena
Yeah.
he needed to be
Yeah.
training.
Yes.
Ya, oke.
So aku dan Kiyomi selalu sendiri,
Tapi
which I think made me stronger, made our bond very close.
sama Kiyomi.
Yeah, sama
Oh,
Kiyomi.
so cute.
But yeah, my family was far. I didn't have anyone, so I had to figure out everything by myself.
Dan itu nggak ada.
And there was no
book, no guidance, no book, no formula.
I had one book, I still remember, one book about pregnancy and baby, but nothing else. There was no really researching on on Google or AI or all this stuff. It wasn't there.
Yeah.
So I just did whatever felt good to me, what I knew from my parents,
Yeah.
what I saw from Irfan's parents.
It was 2012.
Yes.
2012
Yes.
ya. Oh wow.
Tadi kan Jen
Iya.
bilang bahwa dia tahu dari orang tuanya. Mungkin kejadian Koko karena orang tuanya juga begitu.
Dulu
Iya,
dulu emak
mungkin.
bapak gue kayak suka marah-marah. Jadi mungkin kayaknya jadi
Ngeliat.
gua- Hah?
Ngelihat.
Iya, jadi gue kayaknya kebiasaan begitu emak bapak gue mungkin suka marah-marah ya.
Karena ini nggak begitu,
Nggak
mungkin
begitu.
ke anaknya
Ya,
jadi nggak
anaknya
begitu.
dulunya nggak gitu. Tapi gue untungnya gue realize
sadar.
itu setelah mungkin kayak 3 kali melakukan hal itu, gue langsung realize tuh, kayaknya gue ada yang salah deh.
Iya.
Kayaknya
Iya.
nggak
Nggak bisa
boleh
kayak
begitu nih,
begitu.
kayak gue nggak bisa teriak-teriak
Benar-benar.
gitu.
Jen,
That's good.
Iya.
Iya.
so people see you as an independent woman.
Yeah.
Yeah, but how do you see yourself? Are you really an independent woman, or you still need Irfan?
Yeah, well,
I think I am an independent woman, but we are one team. So like now I'm shooting with you guys, so he's with the kids,
So
taking care. Yeah.
jaga-jaga.
Saling support.
Yeah.
Partners.
We support each other. So when he was playing football, I was alone with the kids, taking
Yeah.
care of them.
Yeah.
And now if I go to work, he takes care of the kids. So I think without us as a team, it won't. I mean, it will maybe work. I have to, work harder or take care
Yeah.
of the kids more. I have to bring them here. But yeah, I think teamwork is really important.
so for
Yeah.
Jen, maybe marriage is a whole lot of teamwork, yeah.
Yes.
And it's an ideal
Yes.
term.
But how to get
Teamwork.
there? Untuk mencapai
Teamwork.
The
kesepakatan, like agreement with Irfan. I mean, it's not easy to agree.
No.
Like, when I'm work, you stay.
Yeah.
Sometimes cowok mana mau? Why am I here with the kids? I also wanna.
True.
Yeah.
I think because we never had like an agreement before. We were so young, we didn't really know what's gonna happen if we have a baby.
Yeah.
So it was just very normal that I'm taking care of Kiyomi and Kenji back then, and he plays football. But then I was like, I want to do something for myself.
Right.
I want to
Okay.
work too. I don't
Yeah.
just want to be the wife of.
Yeah.
I want to be independent
Yeah.
because before I was always independent.
Yeah.
And my
Because you are
parents
Jennifer.
raised me
Yeah.
independent.
Yeah.
So
That's when you started to
That's
do
when
all
I
the
started,
content.
yes.
Stuff. Okay.
and I knew I can do it while having my kids around.
Ya, nice.
So even now, if I have shootings for brands, they know I have my kids, and I bring usually the 2 little ones. So yeah, I
Yeah.
try to combine work,
Aku ngelihat ya, kamu itu kayaknya emang beradaptasi ya sistemnya ya.
Aku ngeliatnya kamu
Kondisi-
kayaknya suka banget ya nanya-nanya sama dia ya. Kamu kayaknya ada...
Kamu
Aku
kan
Leo soalnya.
Kamu stalker ya? Kamu stalker ya? Kamu stalker deh kayaknya. Kamu banyak dari tadi loh.
Menarik soalnya
Kamu,
ini loh.
kita juga bisa loh ditanya-tanya loh.
Enggak, kamu nggak
Kamu
ada
bisa nyari
bisa
saya
contoh
loh.
loh.
Parah banget, kamu gak ada yang bisa dicontoh
Iya loh. Iya karena suamimu nggak bisa dicontoh loh.
No, I mean
Astagfirullahaladzim.
kayaknya dari tadi dari obrolannya Jen tuh selalu you are adapting with the condition always.
Yeah.
Ketika kamu lahiran nggak ada Irfan, ya udah.
Ada,
mau
ada.
bantu,
Ada.
Ada.
Irfan kan mesti latihan abis itu
Yeah.
6 months. 6 months is not easy for
No, it was really hard.
belum baby blues belum apa and you are alone also.
Yeah.
That's crazy dan dia akhirnya ya udah beradaptasi aja mau gimana gitu.
But you don't feel like Irfan kok you
Iya,
gitu
lu
kayak,
bisa
I don't wanna be, I
gitu.
don't wanna be with you
Or you
anymore.
wanna go back, you wanna go back to your family gitu kayak, you know what?
Ada nggak itu? But how to cope 6 months without your husband firstborn lagi?
Yeah. I remember there were times I was like, honey, I really don't like this national team because
Oh, ada?
you're gone all the time.
Iya,
Itu ada.
upset
Dan aku
sama keadaan.
sendiri.
Iya.
Yeah, for sure ada.
Oh ya, ya still human. You're still human. Oke,
Of
terus.
course. And then aku juga bilang aku mau ke Germany sama Kiyomi. So it's easier. So I flew to Germany when she was 4 months. I spent 1 month with my family. And then I came back. And then
You know how to treat her ya.
Yeah,
after that,
and
ya.
then we met Irfan di Jakarta. Kiyomi nangis. She didn't know any or
Nggak kenal.
Dia nggak kenal.
Sedih banget the first time they meet again.
Iya.
I still remember we were in the taxi. He wore a cap.
Iya.
And then I said, okay, maybe take off your cap. Tapi
Tetap
masih
nggak-
nangis.
nangis.
Nggak kenal.
Like,
Dia benar-benar nggak kenal.
Iya. She heard from Skype, you know, back then it was
The
Skype. I
voice.
think.
Iya.
The voice, but yeah.
Nggak pernah tahu fisiknya. Oh, that's
So Kiyomi
sad.
and me were very close. She would never go to anyone else, even to her father back then.
Wow.
But now the relationship is good.
Yeah.
But in the beginning, you know, it took a lot of time
Adjustment and
for
struggle.
her and Irfan to get
Untuk
to
bond.
rebound,
to bond.
rebuild.
Ada nggak hal yang kamu nggak suka tapi harus kamu jalanin in this life?
Nowadays, kalau dulu kan udah lewat tuh semuanya.
Nowadays, ada nggak?
Now?
Iya.
Things I don't like.
Kayak gitu.
Iya ngobrol sama kalian nih nggak?
Ditanya-tanya sama kamu nih, ditanya-tanya sama kamu nih ya kan.
Ditanya-tanya terus sama aku. Lu dari tadi nanya terus
gue
botak.
katanya capek tahu, katanya dia mah.
Capek, lu tahu nggak?
Kan kita pengen tahu.
Iya, iya.
Maksudnya kan Jen,
Oh, nggak
you're
masalah.
already very
Ada nggak sih?
successful.
Karena she managed to do everything smoothly.
Right.
Tapi
Itu kan
sebenarnya
gila loh.
mungkin ada yang kayak, actually I wish mungkin begini.
Iya.
Atau I don't know, maybe you can change something yang you don't like.
Enggak nih
I
kayaknya.
think I'm pretty happy where I am now.
Oh bersyukur banget ya.
Iya,
Grateful.
I think, yeah.
Makanya Bu,
Grateful.
Iya.
Bersyukur selalu.
Gue sih bersyukur.
Lagu gereja. Nyanyi lagu gereja parah banget.
kalau hari Minggu besok ke gereja lah Bu Ayu.
Parah banget. Wahyu pindah deh. Kata gue apa pindah deh.
Jen, I was thinking.
I was
I was thinking.
Yeah.
I was thinking. Sama maksudnya, I was thinking.
Bisa diem nggak? Gue pakai bahasa Indonesia aja.
Ya udah.
Setiap hari makannya makan sehat. Ada nggak?
Iya.
Udah banyak-banyak. Cuma makan
Saya pengen tahu.
Iya, iya.
Cite.
Lu lihat ya, badannya itu benar-benar gak ada,
Iya,
kayak gak ada
fatnya.
gempal-gempalnya gitu.
Dibandingin sama dia.
Coba naikin.
Kongkonya dua.
Gitu tuh.
Tapi ini udah mendingan loh, udah
Udah
mendingan.
mendingan.
Udah.
Dia udah sehatan.
Udah sehatan.
Udah
loh.
sehat.
Gue udah fatty livernya udah hilang.
That's good.
That's good.
PT-nya juga udah bagus.
Iya, karena harus
Tapi
sehat
emang
yang
Jen,
penting.
ini kan kemarin kita ke Wiyana juga ya sama Jen. Emang, makannya bagus.
Gak ada cheat day, no cheat day.
No cheat day.
Ada.
Ya, tapi aku nggak suka gorengan. I don't really like the unhealthy food.
Do you eat babat?
No.
Enggak, tuh apa lagi?
Babat. No,
Babat.
do you eat babat is like what? Tetelan is what? Tetelan is the jeroan.
Consistent.
Jeroan is like
Oh no.
No lah udah pasti nggak mungkin.
Like
Bule.
lips.
Bule nggak mungkin ada yang makan jeroan.
Paru gitu nggak makan
Nggak
paru.
ada.
paru padang yang kering.
Nggak tahu dia nggak tahu.
Restoran Padang kali ada.
No.
But chicken liver, you don't eat?
No.
chicken liver pate?
Ditambah-tambahin sama dia.
Enggak
That's
ya.
very good.
Iya, iya.
Oh.
Irfan also nggak makan kayak gitu ya?
Oh yeah, he like.
Oh, he like.
Yes.
Dia masih.
So you cook every day is a healthy
Healthy food for
Yes.
even for the kids as
Healthy
well.
food.
Tapi
Healthy,
emang iya
yeah.
sih, because you cook every day. That's the
Yeah,
best, you
yeah,
know,
it's-
fresh.
yeah.
So you cook and you wash the dishes.
Yes.
All the dishes.
Gue takut
Even the
Tiwet
panci
pengen jadi,
anak-anak.
pengen jadi anaknya dia deh. Gue takut Tiwet pengen jadi
Ya
anaknya dia.
anak-anak
Bantuin.
diajak. They have
Disuruh
to
bantu.
help.
Oke,
yes,
oke,
suruh
ya.
bantu.
Oke.
Also
Tapi emang
taking
iya
out the
sih.
trash. I want to raise my kids very independent.
Nice.
So once
House
they
chore,
leave
house
the
chore.
house, they have the basic
Iya.
skills to
Tapi
survive.
dulu my mom juga gitu every
Yeah,
night.
right?
Iya. So,
Terus kenapa sekarang nggak gitu ya?
ada Riri.
Ya,
Sabar,
ibu kan masak,
sabar.
bikin
Later.
kain sendiri.
Yeah, later when I have kids,
Kalau udah, ya.
nanti you have to build,
Yeah.
The
And I think you have to be the example. So if my kids see me making the bed, cleaning, doing the dishes, they see me and they think it's normal to do. If
Yeah.
they never see me, if they only see the
Mbak.
mba
Yeah.
doing cleaning, they
Yeah.
will not do because
Betul.
the mba is not their mother. I'm
Yes.
their mother.
Kan
Yes,
kalau ibu-ibu
good.
di Indonesia lagi bersih-bersih pakai daster ya. Kalau
Aku pakai daster selalu.
juga. Jadi beres-beres sambil dasteran.
Ada foto nggak Jen pakai daster?
Daster Bali ya.
Kok ini kok gini?
Cowok semua sih.
Waduh, mas. Ya Allah, kelihatan deh tuh.
Sorry kok cowok semua cowok
sorry,
pakai itu. Jujur.
Lu langsung seneng ya?
Jujur.
Ya udahlah.
Ya udah biarin.
Jujur.
Ngertiin aja.
Oh dia mau cari Jennifer.
Enggak.
Mau cari Jennifer.
bohong. Isinya semuanya
Aduh.
cowok itu.
Udah biarin aja.
Cowok maskel.
Deh, maskel nggak tuh?
Kok nafsu?
Kata kamu gini, cowok-cowok maskel rambut apa maskel bangkuang?
Gue nanya, lo ada apa lo?
Udah biarin kok.
Yang mana
namanya
sih?
gitu. Ada nggak Jen
Coba.
pakai daster? Kita mau lihat dong Jen
Nggak
pakai
ada.
daster.
So you wear duster actually.
Iya.
Dan daster apa
Daster.
yang Jen paling suka? Bahannya dari apa?
Sarwenda
Motifnya apa?
dong. Dasar Sarwenda.
Bisa jadi. Kita lihat dasternya. Do you take photos every time you wear duster? No.
No.
Enggak.
Congsam
kayaknya.
pakai congsam tuh, congsam.
No, because I don't like.
You
I
don't
like,
duster?
I prefer either lingerie atau shorts with like
Oh,
shirt.
wow.
Wow.
Lingerie.
Husband. Ooh.
Big no, or
If
shorts
you
with
clean
t-shirt.
with lingerie.
Not like the super lingerie when my kids are around ya. I mean like enough like a tank top and shorts, but
Oh.
ya oke lah.
Mana
No, no, no.
sih?
Nothing to
Ada,
show
ada di
juga.
foto juga.
Nothing to show.
Ada
udah.
my big heart.
Nggak ada.
Oh itu tuh bukan.
Yang hijau tadi.
Yang
Bukan
hijau.
itu bukan Jen.
Bukan.
Itu daster tuh, baju tidur.
Emang nggak
Gimana,
ada.
Pan? Nggak ada dia nggak foto tadi dia bilang.
Coba lagi, down.
Coba lagi abis ini,
bukan,
abis
coba
ini
gitu.
Jen makan foto pakai daster termalam
Oke,
ya.
nanti aku kirim ya.
So it's always duster berarti.
Ya di rumah daster, pakai daster.
Daster gimana?
Ya sama aja ya kayak
Daster
di
batik
Indonesia.
itu.
Daster
Barong.
dari Bali yang dress.
Oh.
Daster itu
Iya.
loh.
Oh iya dasar Bali.
Dasar Bali.
Dasar Bali,
Iya.
dasar Bali. Adem aja adem gitu kan. Because
Oke.
it's like very nice and comfortable
Iya,
ya. Tipis gitu ya.
Tipis.
Yeah, that's
Soalnya
amazing.
Irfan pakai apa di rumah?
Cangcut.
Short. Only short. No top.
Muscle tank top, you know.
Like
you.
Kayak
Singlet,
gitu.
singlet.
Coba
Masa
buka
tank
ini,
top.
coba buka.
Masa tank
Buka
top.
dulu.
Coba buka
Benar-benar.
dulu dong.
Jangan kita bisa ngomongin Irfan nih. Nanti dia yang
Iya,
tunjuk
iya.
jadi agak gimana gitu.
Turun,
Gak
takut
apa-apa,
turun.
biar kita tahu.
Ekspektasinya turun.
Do's
Iya.
and don't.
Dus endo. Si Luna
mulutnya ya.
Mulutnya. Suka jujur dah.
Ah, kata gua mah.
Suka bener.
Tapi kalau misalnya kayak misalnya after a long day, after
Yeah.
you put the kids to bed.
Ah, itu tuh.
daster.
Yeah, that's my duster.
Oh,
lucu.
dasarnya tetap bagus ya.
tetap nggak kayak di rumah gitu ya,
Tetap
kayak mau
ini
pergi
loh.
gitu.
Tetap fashionable.
Itu ada anduk basah di
Iya,
belakang.
ada.
Iya.
Ya itu
Siapa
kan
yang
yang dia let it go.
Iya,
Let it go, let it go.
Habis berenang kali
Abis
ya.
ya anak-anak berenang.
Habis anak berenang.
Oke.
Itu yang kalau udah selesai itu terus yang begitu once you're in bed yang ngajak ngomong duluan siapa?
Kalau dia
Nah.
gimana? Gimana?
Ya kalau udah naruh anak-anak to bed.
Di tempat
Who
tidur.
start the conversation? Kan tinggal two adult, the kids
Yeah.
are asleep. Who start the conversation? Is it always you? Karena kan dia yang paling calming di
Aku
rumah.
capek ya, so I think it's Irfan more.
Oh, aktif
I will
juga
just
dia
say-
understanding.
Oh, dia ngajak
Istrinya
ngomong.
capek.
Hani, gini, honey.
Oh, so
Terus kalau yang
sweet ya.
ajak
Your short trip with you?
bermesraan siapa?
Iya.
Itu kan pertanyaannya kan.
Mengarahnya ke sana.
Gue tadi lebih ke bonding loh. Nih anak nih, jorok pikirannya.
Bukan
Tuh, lu
jorok.
lihat tuh.
Lo pasti pengen
Tuh.
tahu kan.
Tuh lu
Ya
lihat
ampun.
tuh.
Iya itu mah dia mah udahlah amazing lah udah.
Amazing.
Oh,
Oh, that's my mop.
slipper. Oh, slip.
The-
The mop, the pel tadi yang dia bilang. Pel.
Itu
Depannya
pel,
mesin, depannya
elektrik.
mesin.
Nggak yang pakai itu ya, gitu.
Ada
juga.
So waktu dulu awal bikin konten sendirian, yang ambil gambar siapa? Irfan biasanya.
Irfan atau pakai tripod?
Irfan or tripod.
Iya.
Tripod.
So you very independent, benar-benar kayak ya udah.
Ini tertarik banget kayaknya masnya ya.
Iya, iya.
Jarang ada perempuan begini soalnya.
Ya udah diambil orang.
And it was
Iya,
very hard
nanya-nanya.
to give
Banyak
my
tahu.
work to my team now.
It's hard because you know how to do it.
because
Yeah.
I know how to do it and I want to have it perfect. So,
So
yeah.
sometimes you get, oh nggak
Very
gini.
hard. Okay,
gitu.
aku aja.
Oh ya.
Oh,
So I
akhirnya.
still edit some stuff by myself because I like.
Oh itu kayak relaxing kamu di
Cepet juga
ngediting.
ya. Pakai
wow.
capcut.
Capcut.
Insert, insert.
Premium bayar.
Premium.
Nggak ada
insert.
gratis. Biar bisa bikin itu loh, AI itu.
Yang Iwet nggak suka, Iwet nggak suka.
Nggak
Iwet
pakai
suka.
AI.
No
Iwet nggak suka.
AI.
No AI.
Iwet nggak suka
So
AI.
amazing.
Lucu ya.
Tapi kalian ini nggak ada plan nggak every year harus ada holiday berapa kali,
tuh.
2 kali,
Together.
Every week harus ada
Family
date
time.
night.
Date night.
Date night.
Oh date night
date night.
berdua.
Berdua.
Oke terus.
And then weekends is for the kids.
Oke.
So every week mean terserah, maybe Sunday, maybe
Usually Friday.
Itu date night.
Yeah, Friday night, date night.
Hari ini
Anak-anak,
dong, today.
anak-anak
Anak
berempat aja mereka.
ya,
Kiyomi
di
yang
rumah
jaga.
aja.
Karena kan
Iya.
yang gede udah bisa jagain gitu.
We put the babies to bed, jam
and then go
8
out.
and then go. So
And then
always late
Kiyomi.
dinner and Kiyomi, yeah.
Oh, nice.
Always
But-
after 8.
But are you okay leaving the kid after dinner? I mean after putting
karena
the...
udah bobo. Kalau Kiro dan Kyoji bobo sampai pagi.
Oh dia nggak akan kebangun.
No.
Oke.
And we have the camera. And we have Kiyomi.
Iya.
Udah bisa jagain.
Kiyomi independent banget.
Wow.
And Saturday?
Saturday lari dulu and then family time.
Family time.
Kayaknya lari itu benar-benar harus ada di menu olahraga kamu ya.
Yeah.
It is your mind ya kayaknya.
I think it's my me time. Let
Clear
my
up everything.
yeah, just let it go.
Yeah, agree with you.
And then I'm fresh and ready for the
It's
day.
your
Yeah.
Elsa time. Let it go.
Yes,
Bodoh
yes.
amat.
Let it go.
Your Elsa time, dia kata.
Elsa time. Yeah.
Elsa
And then what do you do
time.
after? You just have breakfast with the kids?
Breakfast and maybe ke pantai.
Oh, ke pantai.
Oh, enak ya kalau di Bali ya.
Iya.
Kayaknya
Kayak anda
living in
kecil
Bali.
aja gimana
Iya
sih?
bener.
Ever consider to move to Jakarta?
Ih, mau jual rumahnya ya?
Enggak.
Enggak,
Pasti
maksudnya
bentar lagi
kayak
nawarin properti nih.
No.
Abis ini bawa flyer nih, bawa flyer nih.
no, I mean like living in Bali seems very perfect, right?
It's
nice.
very nice.
Very nice.
Oh, you want another challenge you mean? Like, let's conquer the city. We've conquered the island
Bukan
life.
gitu. Kan kerjaannya banyak di sini.
No, yeah,
The work is
exactly.
more here.
Yeah. So any plan?
Maybe I was just talking to Luna about it.
Ya,
Okay,
dibawa
yeah.
nih ke sini.
She
bentar
sells,
lagi.
she sells her
Yeah.
house. She sells her house here. At
Oh
the
yeah,
back.
we can be neighbors.
Yeah, okay. This is also for sale.
You want to live in Pit? Oh, I have house. You
I
want
have
to
a
buy?
friend. I have a friend live in
Party.
P.
Yeah.
Every time we plan to meet at 7,
Yeah.
he always come at 9. 10, 10, 10, yes, yes.
Very close.
I don't
Jangan
know
ya,
why.
no
I
pick.
don't know.
Very close.
No
No
peak.
peak.
No peak.
Nggak boleh
Close
intip.
to itu ya.
Pantai juga.
No peak lu babi
Pantai,
berarti
tapi
ya.
agak bau dikit.
Jen, pernah nggak? Kadang-kadang kan netizen tuh kalau di kolom komen suka diskusi sendiri ya. Itu kamu pernah nggak kayak rebek lu semua gitu? Rebek apa sih bahasa Indonesianya kayak sok tahu lu gitu. Suka gitu nggak?
You don't know what's inside my
Why you don't know? Why you don't know?
My-
Why you
my
guys are
house.
so nosy?
Iya, you mean like
Oh.
pernah kesel nggak baca mereka komentar?
enggak.
kayak
I
kamu?
hate you.
I think every netizen
Enggak.
positif.
My followers are
Positif.
Very
very
supportive.
supportive, very
Oh, nice.
Karena
sweet.
yesterday ya, we run Morning Mama Jen. Dia lebih terkenal.
Lebih terkenal, sedih.
Enggak.
Ayu sedih.
Gua
Kalau Ayu sedih.
Makanya gue gak lari.
Karena gue tahu.
Gue tahu gak dipanggil.
Jarang gue ada di arena perlarian kan gak
Iya,
jarang.
iya.
Jadi I was running.
Mama Jen
Jadi
semua.
pas ngeliat, Mbak Luna gitu.
Apalagi kalau
Tapi tetap
misalnya
Jen.
apalagi kalau Luna, Ayu sama Jen. Gak ada yang nanya Ayu.
Makanya
Ayu
gue
bayi ya.
Gue CFD aja udah jalan.
Oh udah jelas.
Jalan gak lari gue CFD-an. Gue
Marketnya.
Iya.
Itu CFD.
Dan pilihnya jalan.
bukan
dia.
lari, gue
Nggak
CFD-an
lari.
emang mau
Bu
meet and
Ayu.
greet. Meet and greet.
Bu
Fans
Ayu.
meeting.
Bu Ayu.
Fans
Sama
meeting.
tuh Bu Ayu.
Iya, gue jalannya selama mungkin kalau perlu.
Oh gitu.
Step by
Kayak ini kayak
step.
pengantin ya, kayak
Iya,
pengantin
iya,
Jawa.
iya.
Kita mau sekalian gini Bu.
Ya jalan dodol.
Bisa.
Repot dong, itu kan kalau gue ke
Tapi
Oh,
emang
I see.
iya loh.
Nggak pernah ya? Nggak ada.
Olahraga sama Jen itu semua orang tuh punya Mama Jen morning. Wow.
Karena kayaknya dia ini orangnya
Very
supel
sweet,
ya.
my
Iya.
followers. Thank you.
Very supel, kayaknya easy going. Jadi semua orang
mau coba
kayaknya
lari
gitu.
dari pick sini.
Bisa gua.
Ya. Kamu suka balesin komen atau balesin DM?
Yeah.
Oh, baik.
You do?
Yeah.
Yes, bagus.
Apa
bagus.
balesnya gimana?
Ya balas aja, tinggal diketik. Gimana sih?
Wow, sabar banget.
Siapa tahu
Sabar banget.
halo.
Thank
gitu.
you or love atau
Doang.
apa.
Iya, iya. Thank
Jen
you,
suka
terima
balasin semua
kasih.
kecuali satu.
Siapa?
Balasin dendam. Ya ampun tipis-tipis.
Aduh, kenapa sih semua harus keluarga lu?
Kok keluarga gue jadinya? Ini komedi masukin kata-kata, idiom. Sorry.
Jen, kalau kita nggak akan bahas, tadi kan kita udah janji, kita nggak mau bahas tips olahraga, kita nggak mau bahas tips makan sehat. Tapi menurut kamu makanan Indonesia yang paling kamu suka dan paling sehat? Justru yang paling sehat?
That you can eat maybe.
Yes, kayak I can
Apa
eat
namanya?
just
Okay, maybe-
every time.
Not every day kali ya, but maybe
Yeah.
once a week.
Once a
lah.
week.
Iya.
Mas Andi F. Noya banyak nanya ya.
Sorry, tuyul dan tayul.
Kan kita pengen tahu.
Iya loh.
Iya, tapi nggak dari lu. Dari
Ini kan
dia
ini
Gua nggak
sisi,
jawab
sisi
loh.
penggali, sisi lawak di sebelah
Iya.
sana.
Gue sih CCTV ya. Hello.
lucu terus.
Bagus
Lucu terus.
Bagus pinter.
Lanjut aja nih, udah mau nyampe nih kita nih. Take outlet, goyang-goyang.
I think gado-gado.
Gado-gado ya.
Bagus.
Nah itulah
Efek
karena kita
karedo.
lagi ngomongin gado-gado. Ini dia gado-gado yang bagus banget kita built in.
Ceritanya.
Nah gitu.
Gado-gado baplo.
Yoi, built in ya. Kita bisa
Karedok?
kayak gitu.
Ever try karedok? Belum pernah karedok ya?
Karedok is the kan kalau
Gado-gado is a
steam.
cook steam.
Iya.
Kalau yang karedok
is
raw.
mentah. Raw.
But with the
Atau
peanut sauce
ketoprak.
juga.
Salad in Indonesia. Salad Indonesia.
Yes.
Maybe I will like.
So
Iya.
basically everything raw,
Yeah.
but you put the
The
gado-gado
sauce, the peanut sauce.
Peanut sauce.
That's karedok.
Yeah,
You can
Biasanya
try.
habis makan itu gerubuk-gerubuk.
Kenapa?
Because
Pedas.
Geruduk
no no
aja ya.
no with hand.
Parah.
Kalau
Gitu.
itu what about sodo?
Soto.
Soto. Do you eat
Soto.
soto?
Sodo.
Soto.
Soto ayam.
Iya.
Ya, kan also healthy
Also,
juga.
okay.
Like a soup ya.
Yeah.
Soup.
Yeah.
But no
Okay.
babat, no cecalan.
Only the chicken
Do
lah.
you like Chinese food?
No.
Jen, do you like Chinese food?
I like Chinese food.
Apa kalau Chinese food yang mau makan?
Something like oily something. It's
Hainan
Okay.
chicken fried.
Only.
Oh, steam broccoli.
Sehat ya.
Garlic ya.
Sehat ya. Konsepnya.
yang nggak pernah gua
And
pesen.
rice.
Ya udah,
Ramen
mulai
juga
sekarang,
Ramen iya.
Masih makan ramen tapi?
mulai sekarang
Iya,
kita
masih
mengikuti
kan dia makan
Jen.
tepung.
Once a month.
Once a month.
Sekarang mulai sekarang kita mengikuti Jen.
Ih, gue mah udah, cuman belum kelihatan aja.
Apaan? Orang dia
Ih.
bilang kenapa lu sordo?
Gue, ya kan itu doang yang salah. Tapi yang lainnya gue gak makan tepung lagi.
Apa,
Okay,
Mas?
besok lari?
Kalau lari
Yuk,
ntar
lari
dulu.
tomorrow
Aero,
with
aero.
us yuk.
Yeah,
Remember,
let's go.
you run ICFD. That's the difference between us.
No, tomorrow
Yeah,
Ira.
we
Ini
run.
Iya,
Let's
you
go.
run ICFD.
Dia malu
Slowly,
nggak
slowly.
ada yang manggil dia pasti.
Slowly CFD, so people can call
What time
me.
running? What time running?
6. That's all
6
my
a.m.
intention.
tomorrow?
Yeah.
Tomorrow?
Yes.
Oh,
When
mau
GBK?
follow, mau ikut.
Mau ikut? Ayo.
Follow,
Let's go.
follow.
What's your pace?
Asik,
Ini sama.
pakai nanya. Ya Allah,
Sombong.
si Iwet pakai nanya.
Di belakang ya?
Enggak, gue udah bilang, Jen, slowly ya. Udah tua ini.
Iya, 6:30 still okay lah.
Iya.
Udah tua ada bengek lagi ya.
Yesterday was okay. Easy run.
Slow run, easy run.
Easy run.
Kalau easy run harus bisa ambil ngobrol loh.
Bisa.
Iya, gue nggak usah. Jan, sorry ya,
Hey,
Jan. I'm like,
I'm a world
trying
leader
my
marathon
best.
finisher.
Iya.
So, 5
Satu
Sombong
kali.
banget.
Satu kali.
Sorry, 2 times.
Oh, 2
By the
times.
way, Jen juga mau ini loh Berlin.
Oh, Berlin
Yeah.
this year.
First time.
Berlin
First
is really
time.
good.
First
Berlin is
time.
really good.
Udah?
Udah.
Oh.
Berlin udah.
Dia
New
udah.
York udah.
Wow.
Yeah, my virgin was Bali.
Oh.
Crazy.
Wow.
Kenapa?
Susah ya naik turunnya ya.
Oh, dia
My
udah
first.
160 kilo loh.
Buset.
Iya. Relay.
Relay.
Oh, relay.
Di
Really?
Bali. Yeah.
Di Bali.
Ultra. Ultra.
No, relay.
Relay.
Relay run.
race. Yeah.
Bagi Anda tidak mengerti ini, tidak masalah.
Karena dia juga. Karena dia juga.
Karena
Oke.
tidak harus semuanya
Tidak
mengerti.
harus mengerti.
Betul.
Tapi ngomong-ngomong ya, Jen, you already have it all. You have such a beautiful family, beautiful
Thank you.
kids, and they're all raised by beautiful parents. Pokoknya kayaknya nggak ada celah yang untuk dilihat
Ngomongin.
jelek gitu.
What's next?
What is your next goal or what is your dreams yang pengen Jen
Mungkin mau manjat
Capai,
tebing.
achieve.
Manjat tebing?
Apa?
Manjat tebing.
Nggak ngerti.
Ini
Wall climbing, wall
Bukan
climbing.
Hill climbing.
Oh,
like
hill
rock
climbing.
climbing.
Oh,
Maybe.
Maybe.
maybe you don't
Why
know.
not?
because it's an Aries.
Maybe
You just
lempar
constantly
lembing.
need challenge.
Lempar lembing.
Lempar lembing.
Lempar lembing.
What's that?
Wow, itu apa namanya? Bahasa Inggris itu apa ya lempar lembing?
Nggak tahu.
Lempar is throw.
Lempar ya. Lempar
Lembing
apa?
is what? Lembing.
Throw away.
Throw away kan throw away what? Problem. Aduh capek banget deh.
Throw
Pokoknya kita semua di sini sambil belajar.
Lucu nih kalau
Dan
tinggalin
most
berdua
most
ngobrol.
importantly harus
Nggak nyambung.
harus olahraga ya kan.
Bener.
To keep
Olahraga.
yourself sane. Tapi paling benar you have to know yourself first. Kenalan dulu sama diri kita sendiri. What do
Javelin
you
throw.
need?
Javelin throw.
Oh, Google.
Javelin
dia.
throw.
Javelin throw. Picture image.
Picture.
Tadi ada pertanyaan belum dijawab.
Oh iya itu.
Yang
javelin
mana?
throw.
What's next? Tadi dia mau rock climbing.
Ya kan itu lu.
Atau mau lompat indah. Walau air.
In
Jangan
English.
biarin dulu.
In
Maksudnya
English.
in terms of family,
Wah,
career wise, maybe
I think terms
you want
of
to move
family,
Jakarta.
yeah, maybe half Jakarta, Bali for work wise, and then family. Kiyomi is 14, so asking her if she want to maybe study abroad, stay in Bali. I think that's a big step. Kenji mau main bola, so maybe dia juga mau
Sekolah
ke Europe.
bola, iya.
Iya.
I think these are two very big
Decision,
things,
yeah.
decisions we have to figure out for the
Okay.
kids. And for Irfan and me,
Ya itu kan family.
yeah, for me,
You sendiri Jan. Ih, family. Kapan?
Tapi itu semua udah kayak one
Jadi
ke
satu
ini ya, satu
package.
Ya
kesatuan.
tapi kan kadang-kadang
Iya.
kita harus juga punya goal sendiri
Iya, true,
supaya bisa
I actually
berkembang.
always have a lot of goals. I make every year a vision board with my
And a
goals.
stick?
Yeah, with stickers.
Wow.
So for this year, it was the marathon, single high rocks.
Tuh.
What else I had on? Going to America with work, which I did.
You already did.
Yeah, I did. I really, I don't know. I wanted to go to America. That's on my
Agenda.
board. Yeah. I think I would like to travel, see the world a bit more for me myself.
Alone.
We go together.
Baru ngomong alone.
No,
Ikut
together.
lagi dia
Sorry ya.
gimana?
We do high rocks overseas.
Yes.
And we go
Yes.
traveling ya.
Iya, running lah.
Ya,
Marathon.
Ya, boleh.
Ya,
Next one ya.
Cari teman, cari
Berlin.
teman.
Enggak,
Cari
next one
teman.
habis
Next
ya.
one.
Kan September Aing nggak bisa.
Oh iya benar.
Luna mah nonton BTS aja. Besok ke Las Vegas yuk. Hah? Besok ke Las Vegas gimana Luna? Iya, ada.
Kayak dari sini ke sana tuh naik layangan gitu
Iya,
ya.
enggak, naik bus kayaknya naik bus. Cepet gitu.
Gini ya.
Besok kita nonton di
Gue
Las Vegas.
memang, maksudnya gue tuh kalau sama yang traveling itu, I don't think about uangnya pas-pasan, tapi kita usahain
Iya,
supaya
iya.
we create memory.
Bukan masalah duitnya sih, tapi masalahnya tuh ya kayak besok ya gitu kayak
Enggak, gue nggak bilang besok, gue bilang
27.
akhir Mei, gue bilang akhir Mei.
27 28.
Ah.
Cuma 2 hari doang. Bagaimana Nun? Ini kita udah nyampe nih 27.
Seberang dunia 20 jam kemudian.
28 nyampe terus langsung pulang aja. nonton BTS doang.
Ya kan
gitu.
cuma
Iya.
bisanya hari itu doang.
Tuh, bisanya hari itu doang.
Lu kenapa gak berangkat?
Enggak lah.
Karena dia nonton Jerian.
Orang gua nonton
Asik.
Bagus suaranya dia sekarang.
Kan sekarang
Sekarang
bagus
ya?
sih, gua
Udah
sebagai
Udah les nyanyi.
Iya.
udah
Udah les nyanyi, udah sehatan berarti dia. Nanti dia
Gitu.
konsernya ya di Taman Mini ya. Nanti aku kasih tiketnya.
Oke.
Istana anak-anak kebetulan ya.
Amin.
Stay Jen. Thank you so much for coming and
Thank you for
sharing.
having me.
Maaf ya kita timpal-timpalin agak kadang-kadang.
It's good, all good. Thank you.
Thank you, Jen.
Dan sampai jumpa agen-agen.